Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log in to the LingoDeer application. Now, firstly, to log into the LingoDeer application, make sure that your device is connected to the internet and then open up the Play Store application on your phone. After you open up the Play Store application, you will be on this page of Play Store. Now, on this page, on the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll see this search bar. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the search bar, on the top of your screen, on the search bar, again type in LingoDeer and then hit the search button. After you hit the search button, you'll be redirected to another page. Now on this page, find this LingoDeer application pop-up and click on it. Once you click on the LingoDeer application, if you don't have it installed on your device, go ahead and click on install. Once the installation process is complete, this open button will appear on your screen. Go ahead and click on it. After you click on the open button, the LingoDeer application will open up on your device. Now, if you want to sign up to LingoDeer, go ahead and click on the start button. But if you already have an account and you want to log into it, go ahead and click on this I have an account option. After you click on the I have an account option, you'll be redirected to the sign in page. Now on this page, you can either type in your email address, password and click on this sign in button, or you can use the two buttons on the bottom of your screen, which are the sign in with Google or sign in with Facebook option. Now choose which option you want to and then click on it. Now, as you can see, I have clicked on the sign in with Google option. So the list of Gmails on my device are shown on this menu. Now choose the Gmail account you want to use to log into LingoDeer. After you click on one of those accounts, LingoDeer will ask you some questions like how old you are. So type in your age like this and click on next. After you click on next, you can choose a course you want to. So let's say I want to learn German, and then I'll click on German 1 like this. And then as you can see, I have been successfully logged in to LingoDeer, and if you follow these steps, you will also be able to log into this application and enjoy all these free courses. I hope this video helped you to log into LingoDeer. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.